Hello everyone! I hope you are well and safe despite the COVID-19 situation. In this video, I will share to you the unboxing of Young Living Essential Oils. So, it comes with a sealed air, a bag. So, I'm very new to this. I haven't tried any diffused essential oils, but I do use VCO for my hair, as you've seen in my other video. I decided to try diffused essential oils because I was encouraged by my friend Taze. Hi Taze! She's based in Canada now. So she swears in the effectivity of essential oils in the overall wellness of your health. Again, I'm very new to this, so please forgive me if I just show you what's inside the premium starter kit of Singapore. Okay, so let's start with this wooden box. It says Young Living Essential Oils, Sense Up. Okay, so let's open it. There's a card. No, it's a silver polishing cloth. I'm not sure why there's a polishing cloth here. There are two like a diffuser balls, a blue and a white one. And I think this is the limited edition Pandora bracelet that comes with a diffuser in the form of foam balls. See? These are foam balls. And I guess you soak this with essential oils. Wow, so okay, the polishing cloth is used for the bracelet. See? Wow. I love Pandora, by the way. So having this limited edition is a plus for me as a new user. So I guess this pendant here, you will put the foam balls or the diffuser balls. So let's try to open it. Yeah, it opens. See? Then let's try putting one of the balls. Okay. Easy as that. I will wear it now. So it's maybe because it's free. It's a garter or it's a garterized bracelet. It's fine for me, and it's blue. It matches my upcoming new baby boy. Okay, so we're done with this box. Let's try this big orange box. It's the lantern. So this is the essential oil ultrasonic diffuser. Okay. So it says it runs in 3 settings. A high output mode, approximately 5 to 6 hours. It runs continuously. Then the low output mode is 8 hours continuously running. And intermittent mode that runs approximately 10 hours intermittently. Every 1 minute, it turns on and off. Alright, so let's open it. Okay, it comes with a manual. So I'll read this one later. It comes with a small box. I think this is the cord. Yeah, so you plug it in using this one. Then the lantern itself comes with a protective egg box like this. Okay. Oh wow, it's very nice. So this is the lantern diffuser. Okay. Okay, let me just put this down. It's very nice. It's very classy. Okay, so I guess you put the oil inside. Oh, I don't know how it works, but I'll figure it out later. Okay. So there's a button here. I think this is the power and then the light. The oil comes here, I guess. Alright. So I'll try it out later, and I'll let you know. Okay. Then it comes with the product guide from Singapore, the Singapore version. So I'll skim through it later. It also comes with a catalog. Oh, there's a compensation plan and earning opportunities. So if you like to have an extra additional income using essential oils, or encouraging other mommies or other people to use oils, then why not? But I'm not yet on board on the earning opportunities, so I just want to try it out first. And then plus the tax invoice. Okay, this included. There's a small, I think this is free as well, 2 small essential oil bottles. It's lemon and lavender. Yeah. Let's put it down. And the last box is the essential oils, the Young Living essential oils. Okay, let's open it up. Get my scissors. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh wow, it's quite strong, huh? Oh, it comes out like this. How do you open this one? Ah, okay. Alright. I thought it might fall off or something. Okay, there's nothing here. Here's the Policies and Procedures Handbook. So in this box, there are a lot of reading material, so I will read through it later. I really smell the aroma of the essential oils. I feel like I'm in an outdoor spa. Yeah, it smells like a spa. Oh no, I'll just show it to you like this. So, it includes copaiba, digize, frankincense, lavender, lemon, panaway, peppermint, purification, RC, and thymes. My son is calling me. He wants to eat snacks now, so I'll make it quick. I'll wrap up quick.
Oreo.
You want Oreo? Ah, okay. There's a second layer. Ah, okay. There's this stuff. I don't know what are they. So taste, please help me later. So this is a red, it's a mixed fruit drink. So it's Ningxia. There's 2 mixed fruit drink here. Then there's citrus fresh essential oil again, and stress away. There's this it's a roller. It's a roller ball. I think it can be put in these small bottles. So I put essential oils here. Then I use this roller ball top and use it as a roller and bring it anywhere with me, I guess. I think. So let me just open this small cute bottle. Let's try one. if you can see. There's a seal here. So if I remove it. Okay. It doesn't fit. Actually, it doesn't fit. See? I don't know how it will work then. Maybe I'll open this one bottle so we can try if this roller will fit. The smell makes me hungry actually. Or maybe because I'm pregnant and I just wanted to eat. I don't know if... Okay, it doesn't fit as well. So I'm not sure how to use these roller balls. I'll ask my friend Taze later. Okay? Alright, this is the end of my first unboxing video. So I hope to do more like this in the future. Okay, so wish me luck in oiling. Bye!